Today we're going to see how to pick ICBC knowledge test appointment. Firstly, go on your Google Chrome, or if you have an ISO or MacBook, then search simply ICBC on it, icbc.com, and there is a website that is open like that, and you can see there is a lot of different things that you have to that you want. If you are new in BC or more new in a BC, you have to take your MSP BCID as well. Or if you move to BC, you have to change your MSP account or your ID. Like if you are MBA in a monitor VIA, then you have a monitor ID. Now you have to change it here. And type of license, your license, new driver, like new driver. First, you have to click on it for new driver. New driver, and there is different kinds of license. Like if you have a license, um if you have an Indian license, you have experience of 2 years or more than that, you can apply for the class 5. And if you don't have license, if you have a license for like 2 or 3 months or 1 year, then you can't able to use class 5 exam. So firstly, we will get here a license, like learning license, for which you have to take your knowledge exam. So when you click on the knowledge test, practice knowledge test, there is a PDF that is coming here. Like there is a website app for your smart mobile phone, where you can able to take practice your knowledge test. Each question will become from this practice test. Like you can search ICBC practice test, then just click. Sorry. Like through the browser, the language, if you use English, Hindi, Punjabi, anyone, then practice test. Full test, sign test, like when turning left at a green light, a driver has a right of the way. Wait until the overcome. Quickly clear, you'll only realize they have a safe. Then you can choose which one is correct. Then what you should a driver A should do. You can use this one. Now what do you think? If I flash my car light, I will know I will pass. I should speed up and watch carefully. I could move closer behind and let them know I am waiting, or I should wait until the curve pass before. Like this. There's 25 questions out of 3 I can do. Like that. What do you think? Which question will be answer is the correct one? You can click on that. Like what should you use when you hear a sound of a desk? I wait until the red sign resist the message, focus, freeway. I can do one meeting once. I have to focus and resist the message until later. Like that. Even and get incorrect, it's okay. Like that. आप ऐसे अपना नॉलेज टेस्ट दे सकते हो, प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. देन बुक करने के लिए ना गेट एन लाइसेंस, पर्सनल नॉलेज टेस्ट, रिवीजन, देन लर्निंग नॉलेज टेस्ट, देन आपको लर्निंग. Now you can book an appointment from here. Then select city, KD city, any of it. Like sorry, book online exam, any one that we have to do. One, like in one appointment you can do many things. Like if you're new in In study, you have to apply for your BC service card, ID card, or any other thing or learning license. You can apply from there. And like that, and knowledge test, your knowledge test, फास्ट व्हीकल मोटरसाइकिल मोटरसाइकिल पे अगर आपको बाइक टू व्हीलर करना है तो आप मोटरसाइकिल लाइसेंस करेंगे, अगर आपको फोर व्हीलर करना है तो पैसेंजर व्हीकल करेंगे, अगर आपको क्लास वन और क्लास टू थ्री का चाहिए देन आप फोर का चाहिए देन आप कमर्शियल व्हीकल करेंगे। तो फर्स्टली क्लास फाइव आईएक्स इंजन अनदर मीन्स लाइक आपके पास मोटर व्हीकल हैवी इम्पैक्ट का है देन आपको यहाँ का लाइसेंस जो है वो चेंज करना पड़ेगा। देन आप क्लिक करोगे यस, did you pass knowledge test? Yes. Is it outside the country or in the country? Yes. Then book an appointment. Then you can select your city. But if you are a new, you don't have a knowledge any test, then click no. Book an appointment. Then select any city whichever you want. Like sorry, people. Then continue. You can see no more available time slots, like these 4 days you don't have availability, but in others you have, you can book any of that. Okay, in November and October, in September there is 11 September there is appointment that is available. You can click on any date that you want, like this, like you have to enter your mobile number, email, first name, last name, confirm, then it will be getting to confirm. Okay, similar to that, there is a road test, which is there is a reason that like sometimes आपका ऐसे वीक होती है then आपको दोबारा आने को कहते हैं देगा submit evaluation form, that's not also same like any where you want to book, then take slots whichever you want. And for booking your own road test, so next to book road test, you simply click on the road test by driving license, visit driving license office, which one you want, knowledge test, other service, and other things except IDs, pieces, or any other thing. Then book or upload your rules, like class 7 get N, like the form of N I guess,